Hello guys, and welcome to using bulk edit by WA Courses. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the bulk edit feature in WordPress. So with the intro out of the way, let's get started with the video. So I'm currently logged into the backend of my WordPress website, and I'm at the all posts page. So this just gives us a list of all the posts on our WordPress website. So in order to use the bulk edit section, you have to select, using these checkboxes over here, multiple pages that you would like to make a bulk edit to. Okay, so this first section here gives you different options. You have edit and move to trash. Okay, so if you want to edit these first three pages at the same time, you just check on these boxes and come over to bulk options here and select edit. So once you select edit, click on apply, and it's just going to give you an interface that allows you to change information for these three posts. So it's just like the quick edit feature, but this allows you to do it for multiple pages. Okay, so you can do things like change the category, reassign a new category, change the tags, change the author, change if you want to allow comments or not, change the status, sticky, and ping. Okay, so it gives you a limited number of changes that you could make, but it comes handy time to time. Another thing you can do with this is delete posts. So if you want to delete the first three posts, just select this move to trash under the bulk actions section, click on apply, and it's going to delete this first three pages. So it's going to take them to trash. Okay, so that's what you use the bulk action feature for. If you click on this checkbox, before title, is going to select every single post available on this page. Okay, so once you do that, you can also use the bulk action to edit or move to trash. You can also do everything that I just mentioned there using on pages also. So if I click on this first three pages, I can edit and I can move to trash. So if I click on edit, apply, the same thing, I just get to change the parent, author, template, comment, and status. So the exact same thing, move to trash, and it's going to take every single page here to trash. So I hope you guys found this video useful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.